What's up, guys? What's going on? It's your boy O.B.S. Lowe's. Guys, we're back at it again with another episode. 2026, first vlog for 2026, guys. And I got a surprise for you guys. Well, it's not a surprise yet because we don't know what we're going to do with it, but I want to show you something, guys, that we just got an acquisition, an asset, or a liability. What is it, guys? Is this thing going to drain our pockets, or is it going to put money in our pockets? Check it out. And if you're new to the channel, guys, you already know, drop a like, drop a comment, hit the like button, and share with your friends. Raza, este es el nuevo video para 2026. Aquí estamos con este videito trayéndoles contenido. Si eres nuevo, ya saben, comenten, denle un like, suscríbanse y compartan con tus amigos. Raza, aquí tenemos una nueva adquisición que no sabemos si lo va a poner dinero en la bolsa o lo va a sacar dinero en la bolsa, lo va a dejar en bancarrota, pero por lo pronto aquí les dejo un nuevo proyectito, raza, a ver qué hacemos con él. Vamos a verlo. So far, what do you guys think about the outside? Pasa no pasa. Right here, guys, we have a 1991 Chevy O.B.S, single cab, step side, white, V8, power locks and windows. Vamos a ver el interior, a ver qué les parece. Alright, guys, here it is. Guys, like I said, it is a project, but so far, pretty good bones to start off with, guys. Pretty clean door panels, electric windows and locks, which is a plus. AC works, cup holders. Dash is in pretty good condition. It is cracked. Eventually we'll replace it. Headliner's good. Maybe new sun visors. Definitely going to need a new back window. Definitely going to swap out the seats. And of course install the grill. But guys, if we do end up keeping this truck, what do you guys think we should do? Keep the 1994-98 grill or go back to the 88 to 93, guys? Because if we do go to 88-93, I would like to put a straight bed. If we leave the 94-98 step side, and y'all already know 400 SS clone coming up. So right now, guys, we'll go ahead and get it started. And it does start right up. You know, this is my first time seeing it here. We'll get it off the trailer and then find a spot for it here at the shop, guys, and decide over these next couple of days what are we gonna do. Are we gonna restore it? We're gonna just modify it, you know, a little simple, put it back just to stock, resell it, flip it. I don't know, guys. My head's all over the place with this one, but I want you guys to come along for the journey regardless, whether we keep it, we sell it, etc. Let's see what this truck brings us for 2020. I'll take the bitch out. Echa para arriba, ¿para qué le queda una toda quebrada?
La ventana.
Pero se quedó, ¿verdad? Le metió un vergazo.
Y a huevo.
Fuck it, we'll figure it out.
Los guías, Iván. Los guías.
Fíjale la window. Got it.
Y ese palo. Ah, no, Iván. Esa madre está chueca, güey. Perro. Miren la ventana de atrás. a pasar ahí por un lado.
What? Might be a keeper. I don't know. Alright guys, so the process has started. We're putting the truck back together. Got the bumper on. Bed's getting bolted on. Front bumper, we had to bust out the back window because one of the doors got locked, but it's not like it wasn't already busted. So I don't know guys, what do you guys think? Is this truck gonna make the bank or break the bank? I don't know, vamos a ver. We got from here to Friday to post it for sale. By the weekend, if it doesn't sell, guys, we got ourselves a new project for 2026. So, comenten abajo, what do you guys think? Is it gonna sell or is it not gonna sell? Couple of hours of work, a little bit of elbow grease. We were able to get the truck fully put back together in a certain way. Looks good, it's running good, check it out. Ahí está, era con sus lucecitas, everything is working. Of course, that back window, we're gonna get it replaced. It's a solid project, guys. So, I don't know, what are we gonna do with this? What are we gonna do with this? Like I said, is it gonna make the bank or is it gonna break the bank? Ahí está, era. For a little test drive. Vamos a ver. Espejitos, guys, these mirrors suck. You can't see shit. Okay, here we go. Feels like a yoke. Brakes are good. This is the first actual test drive, guys. First test drive. Se siente más o menos. Eso se empieza a desarmar la güey. Alright. There we go. Got a better view, guys. Oh, se siente muy bien. Good. A little squeakiness here and there, but nothing simple maintenance won't fix. Oh, whoa, whoa. Hasta para que la vean, guys. It's a good little project. Good little project. No puedes prestar nada porque luego le quieren pisar en la mano. Ah, raza. Ahí va el güey. ¿A dónde va? A ver, ¿a dónde va? Este güey le dices que le vaya a caer la vuelta y se va hasta el pinche Walmart a la verga, güey. Ah, no, ahí viene. Qué verga. Ahí está. Alright guys, so that's gonna conclude this vlog. Mi gente, aquí se acaba el video. Ahí comenten abajo qué piensan. Nos la quedamos, la arreglamos y la vendemos, o la vendemos así. Y si a alguien le interesa, pues ya saben, Money Talks. El dinero habla. No se nos olvide dejar un comentario, suscríbanse, dejen un like, compartan mi gente. Ahí estamos en el próximo video. Saludos.